You're going to need one sharp chef knife and one onion. Begin by removing the top of the bulb while leaving the root intact. The root's going to be what holds the onion together while you dice it. So remove the top of the bulb, leave the root. Next, we're going to halve the onion by slicing through the middle of the root. Take 1/2 the onion and remove the skin. After removing the skin, we're going to make a series of horizontal cuts towards the root, but not all the way through the back of the onion, followed by vertical cuts down through the top. For a larger dice, leave more space between each cut. For a smaller dice, less space. As you're cutting, remember not to go all the way through the back of the onion. You want to leave the root there to hold it together. And don't apply too much pressure from the top, otherwise it'll cause your knife to stick. Once you've cut your grid, take your knife and cut down from the top of the onion at even intervals. Congratulations, you've diced an onion.